My name's Jack and I work for Industries, doing an electrician apprenticeship. I chose manufacturing because when I was younger, sort of 16, 17, I was working in like construction sites and stuff, and I was working with electricians, and I thought that might be a good pathway for me to go down. I didn't really have a specific reason, but now that I've done it, I mean the environment's really good, everyone's really nice, there's a lot of pathways to go down. Everyone thinks it's kind of dirty and not a very nice job, but every day's sort of different. That's what I like about it. You're not doing the same thing over and over again, so it ends up being quite interesting, and you get to meet a lot of new people and do different jobs you've never done before. I would recommend going into engineering because there's loads of different job options you can go down, loads of pathways to higher up stuff if you want to go into managing, or if you just want to do the general stuff. But also it's a nice environment to work in and everyone's nice.